No, it's not Mexican. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, they plant a lot of
Corn?
Corn, yeah.
Corn?
That's what
How
you
eat corn?
Oh yeah.
eat corn.
Oh.
You can see over here.
They cut it when you see.
There's the corn in there.
They cut it when it's not too dry. You know, and dry and.
It's like a,
Yeah.
75%.
Yeah. Yeah.
It looks like we are in our country. Honestly, when I see this smell and everything. Okay. Hi.
Because this guy, when it's a baby, moves a lot of time, go back and go away. And that's why when it's like a baby, it becomes crazy. There's much too much, you know. They move.
The water keeps running on these guys.
Yeah. All the water goes to the Next time you go see the little baby.
Okay.
Today I'm
Baby?
too worried because today's my day off. Only I got
Yeah,
one day
yeah.
off.
Oh,
Okay,
wow.
yeah, let 'em-
And next time just call me.
Okay.
Call me and you want to go see the babies, the little babies?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can come.
Okay.
We can bring our grandkids.
Yeah, I'll tell my boy say it's okay, no problem. As long as I stay with you guys. And, yeah,
That's enough.
yeah, and yeah, you go see the babies next time. And, yeah. Yeah, we have a thing like that. Oh, when it rains and the weather, I got more work because maybe every 3 days, they gotta. You see one trailer over there?
Yeah.
They put a dry mud in the fridge. See the fridge? Yeah. When in the weather time, the house is inside every day.
Oh.
Clean it, put it in dirt and a lot of work. The whole year. That whole year is a lot of work on 5, 6, 4. All these cows is a fresh cow. They call fresh cow because this one maybe got by 1 month we started milking.
Oh.
Atsu got the baby.
Wow.
Do they have a baby every year or?
Yeah, every year. Yeah, every year. Every year.
15.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I know.
In India, they drink that feed. They don't want to cut the cow because they say it's their muscle. So they drink the pee and they drink the fish too. They actually special sell it in a bottle or
Yeah.
in a can.
This stand, because you gotta separate, right? More big cows. And this stand is all the nephews. They come all the new nephews, the first baby, they come over here.
Hi.
And this side is more old cow. But this one, they have automatic pump. Yeah. The pump is started in the morning. So they set it in the morning. And again, at 4 o'clock. All the nerves go and they got separated. They put it in the field. Oh. You put it, they spray it in the field for, this is for the nerves, for the corn. For the farmer. No, especially for corn.
Yeah.
Especially for the corn. Yeah. You see the color over there? Or it's a solid. This place is for the other guy. Yeah. Tell me when you want to come on the weekend after 5 o'clock. I'm done.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Yeah. So maybe sold $2,000
A month?
No, every 2 weeks. And plus the house.
Oh,
They
plus
give
the
the
house.
house.
4,000, not bad.
Yeah.
Plus the house.
House is the main thing.
See? But you know, I work too many hours. I work 10 hours a day.
Oh, overtime?
You know, holidays.
They
I
give
work
you,
holidays.
They give you overtime?
Yeah. Now they started pay overtime.
It's okay if I make a video here?
Oh yeah.
Because the cows.
The camera's behind me.
Oh, wow. It's all cows over there?
Yeah. And in the weather time,
Mm-hmm.
the cows stay inside.
Oh.
And right now, they got a small,
Yeah, over
a
there.
small space for the
Oh.
cows go outside. Now the cows more happy when they go outside. When I started work over here, 1987,
Oh, wow.
they don't have the roof. They don't got this part. When the cows go inside, the barn is too dirty, too wet.
Mm.
Now the cows go inside very clean.
Wow.
Yeah. See, all this is the menus. This is the menu where the cows eat.
Also, they have to
Yeah.
put the
Hi, cows.
Yeah.
outside to eat
Yeah,
over here.
they can eat outside.
Oh,
Yeah.
Wow. They have the tag.
yes.
Yeah, every cow's got a number. Every cow's got a number.
Wow.
How old is cow is?
Okay, maybe this one, I'm not sure, but maybe
Big is
6 years, 5 years.
big is retired too.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So what
you know,
they-
depends.
What they do with after
When
they retire?
they sell them, Yeah. I remember one cow. The more old cow this guy had is about maybe 8 years.